Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 28 août and today we did our warm-up which you can see what it was, and we filled in the answers. You can get the answers from any of your classmates or in your own notes. You should have the greetings notes filled out by now. So, comment dit-on? See you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you tomorrow. À demain. À demain. See you later. À plus tard. À plus tard. So this is going to be on the quiz for Friday. List 2 ways to introduce someone to someone else. There were lots of ways. If you look in your notes, you'll be able to find them. Some examples are voici, like voici John, or c'est mon camarade de classe John. Another one is c'est ma camarade de classe, Sylvie. C'est mon copain Roger. C'est ma copine Sarah. You have voilà. You have je te présente. Je te présente ma copine Sarah, for example. Je vous présente, if you're introducing someone to an adult. Je vous présente mon camarade de classe Sam, for example. So those are some of the ways to introduce someone to someone else. I did not put the answers here, but you can find them in your notes. All right, and then the next thing we did was we reviewed our activities today. So hang on just a second. Okay, for periods 4, 6, and 7 was the first time today that we went over the activities, les passe-temps. I am not going to go through the entire PowerPoint for this video because I did the PowerPoint for yesterday for 5th period. So if you want to go through the PowerPoint, just look on the video for August 27th and you will find this entire PowerPoint, and you'll hear me go through it and pronounce everything. So I'm not going to go through the PowerPoint, but this is what it looks like, and so you'll be able to see that on the August 27th video. Now the next thing we did for 5th period pre-AP is we went through and we filled in our notes that we glued in on page 10. This is the sheet that everyone got, and today I think everyone got it but 4th period because we weren't finished going through the PowerPoint with 4th period. So 4th period tomorrow we'll finish the PowerPoint, and then they will get this sheet of notes, but of course at that time it will be blanks and we will fill in the blanks. Now, here I have gone ahead and I filled in the blanks, and you will find these notes on my French 2 pre-AP notes and activities page. So you will find these notes. So we went through this and we filled in the blanks. All right. These are all of them right here. Okay. And then after that, 5th period pre-AP, we worked on our t-shirt activity. So we finished that, pretty much finished that during pre-AP 5th period. 4th, 6th, and 7th, we plan to do that tomorrow. So basically, that is what we did today. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow.